Friends, Namaskar. Today I present to you second list of directors. Wajahat Hussain Mirza Changezi, commonly known as Wajahat Mirza, was an Indian scriptwriter and film director who penned the dialogues of some of the most successful films in India during the 1950s and 1960s, best known for Mughal-e-Azam in 1960 and the Academy Award nominee Mother India in 1957. Mirza won Filmfare Best Dialogue Award twice in 1960 for Mughal-e-Azam and in 1961 for Ganga Jamna. Then comes Vijay Bhatt. Vijay Bhatt was a producer, director, screenwriter of Hindi cinema who made such films as Ram Rajya in 1943, Baiju Babra in 1952, Gunj Uthi Sahnai in 1959, and Himalaya Ki God Mein in 1965. He founded Prakash Pictures, a film production company, and Prakash Studios in Andheri, East Mumbai, which produced 64 feature films. Bhatt was a founding member of the Film and Television Producers Guild of India. Then comes Sarvottam Badami. Sarvottam Badami was an Indian film director of Hindi, Telugu, and Tamil films. He started his career as a sound recordist for the first talkie in India, that is Alamara in 1931. In 1948, he helped set up the films division for newsreel and documentaries, where he worked as the chief producer in the newsreel department and also made documentaries. His active years were from 1932 to 1952, when he retired from the films division and from making feature films. Then comes Jia Sharhadi. Jia Sharhadi was an Indian and Pakistani scriptwriter and director of films in the Indian film industry, whose career is spent what is widely known as the golden age of Indian cinema. Then comes Gajanan Jagirdar. Gajanan Jagirdar was a veteran Indian film director, screenwriter, and actor. He worked in Hindi cinema, also called Bollywood, as well as Marathi cinema. The period of 1942 to 1947 saw his rise as a film director with Prabhat Films. He was appointed as the first director, then principal of the Film and Television Institute of India in 1960, which was known as the Film Institute of India then. Jagirdar served as the director of the FTIA for just over a year, from 1961 to 1962. He was associated with the Prabhat Film Company 3 decades before the FTIA rule, where the campus was the base of the Prabhat. Then comes K. Amarnath. K. Amarnath was one of the earliest filmmakers of Indian cinema. His career as a movie producer and director spanned over 4 decades in the film industry. Kishore Shahu. Kishore Shahu was an Indian actor, film director, screenwriter, and producer. He appeared in 22 films between 1937 and 1980, and he directed 20 films between 1942 and 1974. His directional venture, Kuara Baap, was one of the winners for the BFJA Best Indian Film Award for the Best Film for 1943. His film Raja has been called a milestone of art and skill in motion pictures. His film Veer Kunal was a huge box office success. He directed Dilip Kumar with Kamini Kaushal in Nadiya Ke Paar, which became the highest grossing film of 1948. His 1954 film Mayurpank was entered into the 1954 Cannes Film Festival, where it was nominated for the grand prize of the festival. Savan IRA did well commercially. He was also known for the Meena Kumari starrer Dil Apna aur Preet Parai. Then comes Fani Majumdar. Fani Majumdar was a pioneering Indian film director who worked in Bengali and Hindi cinema, most known for his film Street Singer in 1938, starring K.L. Sehgal, noted for its song Babul Mora Nayyar Choto Jaye. Meena Kumari classic Aarti in 1962 and Uche Log in 1965. He also worked in Singapore, where he notably made Hang Tui 1955 in Malay, which was nominated for the Golden Bear at the 7th Berlin Film Festival. Thanks for watching.